Welcome to our guide on starting a subscription box business for handmade crafts. Today, we'll explore essential resources to help you succeed. First, let's dive into some must-read books. The Subscription Box Entrepreneur's Guide by Kate Earl offers practical advice for launching your business. For online selling tips, check out The Art of Selling Handmade and The Handmade Marketplace by Kari Chapin. Both are invaluable resources. Next, let's talk podcasts. The Subscription Box Entrepreneur and The Handmade Entrepreneur provide insights into the subscription box and handmade goods industries. Don't miss the Crafty Planner and the Savvy Crafters podcasts. They cover various crafting topics, including subscription boxes for handmade crafts. YouTube is another great resource. Videos like How to Start a Subscription Box Business for Handmade Crafts by Springboard offer step-by-step guidance. Consider using AI tools like Sellbrite and Jazva to manage your inventory and orders efficiently. These tools can streamline your business operations. Finally, online courses such as Start a Subscription Box Business for Handmade Crafts on Udemy provide comprehensive training. Good luck on your journey.